The 2011 Venza. The 2010 Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 5-piece floor trunk mat set, universal garage door opener, climate control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer, heated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.